Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be explaining the dance step by step and with the counts. And don't worry because this tutorial is mirrored, so feel free to follow me. If I'm speaking too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed of the video in the YouTube settings. If you want to practice with the music, check the link in the description. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. And if you're ready, let's get started. So the first 8 counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for this part, first you're going to jump and raise your left leg like this. And while you do so, you're going to flick your hair. So you're going to take your hands and flick your hair. So all together, 1. Then we're going to step on 2 with our left leg forward, then our right leg forward. So flick and step. Our hand into feet is going to go over us. So we're going to move it to the right while we step with the left. And the same thing with the right leg. Step and move your left hand forward. So step, step. From the beginning, flick our hair, step with the left, step with the right. And on 4, we're going to step with the left leg on our place. At the same time we step, our thumbs are going to go down. So you see how our feet are down. After stepping, we're going to bring them up and then our thumbs are going down. At the same time we step with the left leg. So like this is going to be step and step. From the beginning, flick your hair, step, step and step with the left leg. And for this part, I'm going to show you guys the legs first. So with your right leg, you're going to kick forward. So kick and then jump and open your legs. So kick forward and jump. Your hands are going to be like this. Thumbs are out. And your right thumb is going to circle 2 times. Okay. In front of your chest. So follow your right leg and circle 2 times. So circle, circle, slowly. One more time from the beginning. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and. So after being in this position, we're going to bring our right thumb down, 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 and leave it in this position. So after circling 2 times, okay, we're going to bring our thumb down and put it like this and raise it 3 times up. So for this part, we're going to tilt our head to the left. Our leg is going to move, okay, like this. Bend your right knee this way 3 times. And your hand is going to go up, up, up 3 times. So all together from here, you go down and up, up, up. Okay, well done. After doing all of this, we're going to make a big circle, okay, from left to right with our thumb still in place. So make a big circle and slowly make the circle. So from the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and we're going to jump in our place. Our arms are going up. Hold your hands and move to the left first. So your body's going to the left and then move to the right. Don't forget to push your hips to the left and then to the right. This step is really fast. So again, circle, left, right. So one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Well done. Now let's repeat from the very beginning. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to do the same thing we did in the beginning. Flick your hair, step, step, but here this is slight change. We're going to slide our hands through our body slowly. So on your place, slide your hands through your body, slow, slow, slow. Then you're going to bring your right leg out and push your hip to the right this way. You're going to also bring your thumbs out. Left thumb is going down like this, and your right thumb is going to point yourself. So point to yourself this way and look at your thumb. So you're going to move your head to the right and look at your thumb while you're pointing yourself. Then on 7, 8, first you're going to move your hip slowly. Move it in a circle. Very, very slowly. From left to right. Move it really, really slowly. And for your hands, your left thumb is going to move in front of you like this. So in front of your hip. And the thumb that was pointing to yourself, you're going to move it around your lips in a circle. So altogether, it's going to be 7, 8. Now let's repeat this part. So from this part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after doing this on 7, 8, on 1, for this part, you're going to move your body to the left. So bring your right leg to the left and move your hip forward 2 times. So move your hip forward 2 times. And your hand also with your thumb out, you're going to push it to the right. So from left to right, push it 2 times. So push, push. And your hip is also going forward 2 times. Don't forget to face the front, okay? So while your body is looking to the left, you have to face the front. Then you're going to hide your right hand. So hide it and turn. Okay? So after pushing like this 2 times, hide your right hand. And while doing so, turn looking to the right. And then point yourself again with your right thumb. Point to yourself. Okay? Like this. And your knees are going to be also flexed. So point to yourself, flex your knees from the beginning. After this, 7, 8, we're going to step and move your hip 2 times, turn, point to yourself, flex your knees, and then bring your thumb down. Okay, now let's repeat from the beginning, from this part. Flick, step, step, and yeah. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For this part, you're going to rest your hand on top of your left hip, like this, and bring out your right thumb next to you. And you're going to push your hip to the right 2 times. So really fast, push your hip to the right 2 times. And your arm is going to go in 2 times. So while you push to the right, your right arm is going in 2 times. So all together, it's going to be push, push, and again, repeat one more time, push, push. So actually it is push, push, and push, push. So next, after this, for this part, you're going to make a circle with your arm until you look to the left. So for this part, you're going to put your thumb in front of your mouth like this, your left thumb, and with your right arm, with your right thumb, we're going to move to the left and make a circle like up. So with your arm, make a circle up while you put your leg forward and look to the left. So leg is going forward, okay, and look at the right. Look at the right. So one more time, circle and look to the right, and your thumb is going to go down. So it's going to be thumb down like this. And while making the circle, when your thumb is going down, you're going to push your hip forward 2 times like this. So push forward 2 times. So make a circle up, look to the right, thumb is going down, and push forward 2 times. Okay, like this. Push. One more time. Make a circle with your right arm and push forward. Okay, from the beginning, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after doing 7, 8, we're going to do the same move we did in the beginning. But the way we did in the beginning, we just move our hip to the left. But now we're going to move our hip to the right. So left thumb is out, and we're going to move our hip to the right 4 times as we did before. But now we're going to be looking to the right. Okay, so after 7, 8, we're going to bring our right leg in, and after that we're going to repeat the move 1, 2, 3, 4. Then for this part, we're going to step from your step with the left, right, and separate our legs like this. Put your hands in front of your face. This way, palms are looking to your face. And for a good thing, we're going to bring our right thumb out, okay, and move it from the left to the right like this in front of your face. So Omo is a good, and on thin, we're going to push our head to the right and then back up. So push your head and back up. So Omo is a good thin. Okay, from the beginning, it's gonna be from here, good thin. So good thin, good thin. Omo is a good thin. Now let's repeat from the very beginning from here. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hands first. So our thumbs are going to be out, and right arm is going up, all the way up, and left arm is going to the side, this way. We're going to make a circle outside with our right arm. So make a circle outside slowly. Then we're going to switch and make 2 circles with the left arm in. So like this, from right to left 2 times. And on the second circle, we're going to move our head with our arm. So 1, and move your head on the second circle. From the beginning, circle outside and circle in, and move your head together. One more time, circle, circle twice, like this. Then again, we're going to switch. So now right arm is up, okay, and we're going to circle our head like this, okay. Thumb is touching our head, and we're going to make a circle 2 times. So outside, in, and circle our head 2 times. Okay, so now for the legs. First, we're going to step with the left leg while we circle the first time. Then step with your right leg, and then again step with your left leg outside and in to the right. So everything together. Step with your right while you move your right arm, then step with the right, step to the left, and step to the right. One more time. Step with your left, step with your right, step, step. From here, we're going to move our hip like this. So, move our hip from here. Put your hands on top of your hips and move slowly until you look to the left. Like this. But your face is looking to the front. So your hip is moving slowly and look to the front. So from the beginning, circle, circle, twice, circle, circle, move your hip. Last counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So while being here, you're going to move your hip forward 2 times. So bring it forward, then forward, then like this. Okay, so after this, you move your hips. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to look to the front, legs together. Okay, for this part, our left hand is resting on our left hip, right palm to your face, index finger points to your lip, and with your right thumb, we're going to slide it through your lips. So, omo is a good thing. So one more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. Now let's repeat from this part. Okay, so it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.